You are welcome to our Open Heaven Daily Reading. Today being Monday, August 5th, our topic says, Fire in your bosom. Our memory verse is taken from 1 Thessalonians chapter 5, verse 22, and it says, Abstain from all appearances of evil. Our reading for today is taken from Proverbs chapter 4, from verses 14 to 15. May you remain blessed as you listen. The Bible says that a man cannot take fire in his bosom and not be burnt. Proverbs 6:27. Fire in this context is sin. If a believer is allowing sin or an appearance of sin around him or her, he or she is taking fire in his or her bosom and will eventually be burned. I learned from Joshua's story that when devil is determined to bring a man down, he will position temptation around him such that he will keep seeing it continually. He knows that if a temptation is right in front of the fellow every day, it is only a matter of time before he falls. This is why I have always told my children that they must not have a secretary or personal assistant who is the opposite sex. It is better not to bring the temptation anywhere near you than to believe that you can resist it. A common adage in Yoruba land says, if you will not eat it, don't smell it. If a man has been asking you for a relationship that you know will lead to sin, why are you still answering his calls? If you are always tempted to steal, why will you agree to help your group or department keep the money they have contributed? You must stay far from whatever you know can lead you to sin, because the devil is described as a serpent. A serpent is very subtle and cunning. As dangerous as it is, it crawls right beside you without you realizing it. You may be sworn that you will never do something, but if you allow that thing around you, the devil will cunningly get you to it. The elders say that it is through an opening in the wall that the lizard gains entrance into the house. When you give room to temptation around you, you have opened up the walls of your soul, and it is only a matter of time before sin creeps in. Unfriend the friend who always suggests sinful things. Relocate from the area where you are more susceptible from committing sin. Delete whatever is on your phone that can lead to sin, and just do whatever it takes to get sin far from you. It is better to lose these things and make it to heaven than to retain them and go to hell. Action point for today. Think about the things or people that present temptation to you regularly and ensure you stay away from them. Brethren, may you remain blessed as we work on this action point for today. Bye for now.